So guys, my name is Samuel William. I just want to tell you that if you want to log into your TapSwap, maybe you want to tap now. So it's going to bring this up for you. So don't worry, it's because a lot of users that have been joining TapSwap, they have to improve their system, they have to improve their maintenance. That is why maybe you can be unable to log in. There's nothing wrong with your coins. Just make sure that you keep trying. As you can see here, there TapSwap, our community has grown tremendously and we need to perform some maintenance on the infrastructure. This might take between 1 to 3 hours, so thanks for your patience. So this is what the cause is. So it's because of the growth that has happened to TapSwap. That is why you're unable to log in. So they have to improve their maintenance. So that's what it means. Thanks for watching my video and make sure that you subscribe, like this video and share this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.